Our next client is Miss Mira Chandran. Apparently, she lent 10,000 ringgit loan issue to Mr. Lim Kaiwan, and he hasn't repaid 8,000 and only paid 2,000 ringgit so far. Seems like those breach of contract kind of cases, don't you think?
Yes, I think so. And I saw her file earlier. There is a written agreement through WhatsApp, correct?
Yes, exactly. Well, it's a civil contract enforceable under the Contracts Act 1950. We will need to confirm if both parties acknowledge the term and whether she has proof of repayment.
Okay, got it. I handle on the factual side, like timeline, messages, and also a payment evidence. And then you can lead on the discussions on remedies and provide legal options to our clients.
Alright, perfect. Let's keep this tone professional and friendly.
Okay.
She may be frustrated, so we reassure her that she has options, starting with demand letter, and then we can proceed to court action if needed.
Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon, Ms. Mira Chandran. So glad to see you today. My name is Puan Aina Suraya, your lead legal advisor, and this is my colleague.
My name is Puan Mia Eliana. It's nice to meet you. How was your journey here?
Good afternoon, Miss Puan Aina and Puan Mia. And yeah, the journey was here nice, pretty good.
We're glad to hear that. So please have a seat.
Thank you.
Before we begin this session, I would like to assure you that everything you share with us will remain confidential, since we are bound by the Legal Profession Act 1976, so your information will be safe with us. Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright.
So today's sessions will be very simple. We listen to your situations first, then we confirm the facts together, and then finally we're going to explain some legal options that are available to you under Contracts 1950. And we also will be taking notes as you speak. We also provide you a paper and pens to jot down whatever that comes to your mind. So please feel free to share openly with us. Like Puan Aina said, that our entire conversation is entirely confidential, and we don't have rights to share these conversations, this topic, to another parties.
And if any point you feel uncomfortable, please let us know. Oh, I just bagi like.
Just bagi je.
Boleh.
Okay, we continue dah. Sentry.
Ms. Mira, before we dive into the details of your case, here for the notes, let me explain how today's session will be structured. That way you will know exactly what to expect from this session.
So, first we begin by listening to your accounts of situations. So this is help us to understanding more about your background clearly, and then after that we are going to ask you a few clarifying questions regarding on your situations so that we gather all the important facts.
Once we've gathered the details of your case, we will outline the legal issues and involved and explain the legal possible remedies available to you. We will also discuss the strengths and challenges of each option so you can make an informed decision. Yes.
So finally, we're going to go over the cost. So from each step, from preparing a demand letter to the filing claims. Okay, this is help you to give a clear picture on the legal process and also a financial side. Okay, so at the end of these sessions, we're going to summarize everything and we're going to confirm the next step together. Okay,
Does that sound clear to you?
Yeah, it's pretty good, clear.
Please feel free to stop us at any point if you have any clarification or any question to ask.
Sure.
okay.
Alright, Ms. Mara, let's begin by giving us more details about this issue. Can you please tell us more about Mr. Lim and your relationship with him?
Sure. So well, first I meet in a business event, And one of my friend invited me to the event, the business event, to explore more new people and more new business members. Since I'm doing a part of a business woman, and my friend introduced Mr. Lee Khalil to me, and I talked with him, we explored the ideas, and basically the relationship with me and Lee is we are mutual friends. My friend Miss Amira introduced him to me, and yeah, and after a few days later, but I need to mention this, like he helped me with some things for occasionally, and so we had a good understanding, and we start to be a good friends and also a good business partners. And one day Mr. Lim text me in WhatsApp and tell him that he struggled with his loan and need to pay within 2 days, and he asked me to transfer like around 10K to me and at first I didn't need to not help him, but at first I just wondered that no one asked me before that this huge amount of help before. So I just first asked him that, are you sure with it? Yeah, can you really pay me back to me the full amount to me, because it's really a huge amount. So can you do that? And he said, yeah, of course I can do that. So I trust his words, and we had some discussion, and we take the last decision that once I send to him, maybe he sent me the full amount, or either 6 months of installment. So yeah, and he agreed with it, and then I transferred the 10K to him. And
I see. May we ask more questions?
yes, please, ma'am.
Do you have any particular reason why he hasn't paid to you yet? Is there any conflict or just reluctant to pay to you?
Actually, we don't have any disagreement between us, so it's aren't the issue here. But the one thing is, after I transfer money to him, and after he sent me the first installment, everything is so far so good. But suddenly it acts so strange to me, and I was like, why? And then I just keep asking, because after the 2000 ringgit, he never sent me any money. So I just, of course, I don't keep ask if we belongs to that money, and if the person never sent to us, of course we keep asking until they settle the whole amount, right? So that's how I asked, and he acts so strange, like I'm a stranger to him, and starts slowly avoiding me, and that's so super disappointing me. But the worst point here is one day he completely blocked me, and I'm no longer to contact with him. And what I do is I go to my friend Mira, which is our mutual friend, to me and Mr. Lee, and no use. Still, she also cannot contact him. So pretty disappointed to me, and even my friend Miss Amira.
Thank you for explaining me. So do you have any proof of this agreement in the WhatsApp messages or in...
Yes, I do. I do take the screenshot during at the conversation, the WhatsApp conversation. Wait, let me show. Yeah. It's on 15 May. Yes.
And do you also have the bank details of the installments?
Yes.
And also your transfer?
Yeah, I have both screenshot. This is mine that I sent to him. The 10K.
I see. So you have paid 2,000.
Yeah, and this is one. The first installment.
So alright, just to confirm, this agreed repayment period was 6 months and only RM 2,000 ringgit that has been paid to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you for confirming this. Based on what you shared with us, this falls under user contract under the Contracts Act 1950. Since Mr. Lee had a clear obligation to repay 10,000 to you within 6 months, but he failed to do so.
So in terms of remedies, you have several options. So the first, we can go to the demand letter first. And if that fails, we can go to the court claims. Court claims can reward you a damages or compensation, but it's up on the judge decisions. So,
If he still refuses to pay you back, you can always file a claim in court. But however, this involves higher costs in terms of filing fees and having a legal representation, but the benefits of having those is that you have a legal binding, and also we always ensure your rights are protected in court.
So to give you a transparent picture, the demand letter was less expensive, while the court is going to take a lot of cost and time consuming. But don't worry, we are going to explain to you on the strength and the challenges so you can make a good decisions.
Thank you for the clear explanation both of you. And I think since I go with the demand letter, since it's cheap, and maybe if they still refuse to pay back the full amount, then I go to the next step, which is I go at the court and file the case against him.
Is that all?
Yes, I guess.
Thank you so much for choosing us. You can always come back here if you ever need to add more evidence to help support your case. So this is our business cards. All the details is on the back of the card, our phone number, email, and the location. So if you ever need to come back and talk to us, you're always welcome here.
Thank you both of you. It's very nice to meet you. Thank you for helping. I really appreciate it.
It's no problem. Thank you so much for joining us.
So we're going to give you draft content form. So rest assured, don't worry too much. We are going to guide you from the first until the last. So thank you for trusting us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for helping.
What do you think about the client just now?
Our client just is very clear and she's very cooperative. She provides us a lot of strong evidence like text messages and bank transfer. This make her case very strong. And starting with a demand letter is a good choice.
Yes, I agree. It shows that she's serious, but also considerate about the cost. If he still refuses to pay her back, then we'll still advise her on filing a claim, as I mentioned earlier to her. In a case such as Bank Hulu Limited Mines Business Chen and Yap Limited, the court recognized that when there is a clear evidence of a debt and an obligation to repay, the editor is entitled to seek legal remedies to recover the amount owed. Similarly, in her case, she has supporting evidence such as the bank transfer reports and also the WhatsApp messages that she just provided us, which really, I personally think, may strengthen her case in court. What do you think?
Her situation with the case that you mentioned are indeed similar, and this would help us know whether she should proceed to the next step. But overall, she seems very confident now. She understands her options on what to choose. Our next step is just to draft the demand letter and keep her informed.
Alright. Good. Let's proceed with that, and it's important if we maintain her trust and guide her through this together.